The 2SA1941 is a type of PNP power transistor made by Toshiba. It is commonly used in audio amplifiers, especially in the output stage of high quality audio systems. A PNP transistor allows current to flow when the base is more negative than the emitter. This type of transistor is designed to handle high current and high voltage, and it making it great for powerful electronic applications. The 2SA1941 works best when used with its complementary NPN transistor called 2SC5198. Thus, two transistors are often used together in push-pull audio amplifier circuits, which helps to improve sound quality by reducing distortion. This combination makes sure the audio output is clean and powerful, especially in hi-fi sound systems. This transistor can able to handle minus 140 volt and 10 ampere of current, and it can safely dissipate of up to 100 watts of power when attached to heatsink. This high rating means it's built for tough job like handling loud and deep bass in audio amplifier. It also operates well across a wide range of temperature.